I have created over 70 coloring books and children's books over the past 4 years, and I haven't even surpassed $300 in profits. I'm really wondering what I'm doing wrong. Well, like it probably shouldn't have taken you 70 books to figure out what you're doing wrong, man. Like you should probably like if I had published 20 books and I hadn't made $300, I probably would have been like, wait, what the hell am I doing? Okay. Look, here's like your books might not be good. That's step one. They probably are just in bad niches. That could be another thing. Um, yeah, you're glitching for punishment. You guys know I don't hold back very well. Um, but like, bro, just publish high content books. It's just easier to make money. So there's a link for the 3-day challenge in all of my videos, the 3-day publish and profit challenge. It's free. And I show you how to publish your first high content book. Like, just do that. It will be so much easier for you. And it's so much easier to make money. But Cro-Magnum 4, what I want you to do is set up a lottery campaign for all 70 of your books. Set up a lottery campaign. Bid it. You do like, watch the lottery campaign video. Set up a basic lottery campaign, and set it like for 6 cents bid, auto campaign, and just let it run. That will make you some more sales, right? Bro, I bet you probably even pass 300 if you just set that lottery campaign up and leave it for the entire year. You'll probably make more than $300 just doing that alone. Now, I see you're working on your first fantasy novel, so I don't do anything with fiction, so I'm not your fiction guy. So really can't help you there, but hopefully that tips help you get going.